look what we have in Vorsteiner forged wheels. Wow, nice. Vorsteiner just launched their new forged wheel program called VMP, which stands for Vorsteiner Multi-Piece. As the name implies, all the wheels in this lineup are going to be multi-piece wheels that allow clients to pick the size, style, and color, since these are all made to order. Vorsteiner did something uncommon that a lot of other companies don't, which is they put the price on their site. Most companies are somewhat fearful that the big price tag will drive people away, but Vorsteiner is confidently saying no. They believe that the right clientele can appreciate and understand that they're getting the highest quality fit and finish compared to anything else out there. From precise machining to reduced weight to floating spoke designs, they're not holding anything back for the right client. Vorsteiner was kind enough to send us this for a Tesla Model S Plaid, and they look pretty solid. Gloss black outer lip with a matte gunmetal center to line up the spoke design a little bit. And one of the perks of custom wheels is optimizing the fitment to your car, and you can really see that with these wheels and how they sit pretty flush. Keep in mind, our S is lowered on Intuitive's lowering links. Factory Tesla wheels would be so sunken in with these links, and since these are custom forged, we're able to correct that. If you'd like to learn more about these wheels, you can check out Vorsteiner's website or give us a call. Our contact info is in the description down below.